Coming up in this video, I've got a cracker of a cocktail with JJ Whitley's Toffee Vodka liqueur. This one is a very simple flip on a cocktail that you all know, but it's so easy you can make it at home. Stay tuned. Hey gang, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits, your favourite drinks even more. This cocktail, very simple flip on an espresso martini, and I get grief every time I say espresso. I keep pronouncing it as X. I'm really sorry, it's just me, my Cornish chav accent. So a very simple flip on an espresso martini with toffee vodka, absolutely banging. Before we get into it, quick shout out to my Patreons, Ben, Christopher, Mark and Lucy. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. It means the world to me. Right then, let's crack on martini. I'm going to do all this properly. So we're going to chill our martini glass down. Want it nice and cold for the finished cocktail. Pop that to one side. We're going to make it in a shaker. We're going to give it a shake. Espresso martinis, so easy. And watch this for the last cocktail. So easy to make. The best way to describe it is equal measures of your three spirits. And if you're thinking about should I add sugar or not, what I always say when I'm making this, if you're the sort of person that has sugar in your coffee, in your tea or coffee at home, then you'll probably want a little bit of sugar. However, I don't think you will for this one because this is a little bit sweeter. Plus we've got Kahlua. So 35 ml of your toffee vodka. There we go. 35 ml of Kahlua. You could use Tia Maria, you could use Mr. Black, anything like that. I prefer to use Kahlua. So 35 ml. So you've got two sort of semi-sweet-ish liqueurs in there anyway. So you're definitely not going to need sugar for this one. And then 35 ml of your fresh espresso. And as I say, that's kind of what I use. I've done a video about that before, but it will work a treat. And then 35 ml of espresso. There you go. I've done it again, didn't I? I say espresso. I can't help it. I've got bad sinuses at the moment as well, so I'm really struggling with this. Anyway, let's ice this up. There we go. Plenty of ice. Cocktail shaker on. Give it a smack. Then you want a hard and fast shake for about 12 seconds. Really cold. There you go, all nice and frothed up. Get your tin out, there we go. Get rid of your crushed ice, that's nicely chilled. And then we just need to double strain this so we've got no ice going into the martini glass at all. So Hawthorne tea strainer, double strain. You'll see it settle like a pint of Guinness. Look at that, equal measures, 35, 35, 35. Bang on the money. That espresso, it just works so well. Yes, there we have it, and that's settling lovely. And then just to garnish, standard 3 coffee beans. I've asked this in many a masterclass. Health, wealth, happiness. Boom, and there we have it. Very simple. Kind of toffee flip on an espresso martini. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. I think this is just going to be obviously called a toffee espresso martini. If you want to come up with a different name, by all means stick it, as I've done with all these videos, stick your suggestions in the comments below. And if we come up with a cracker, then we might use that going forward. There we go. That is ready to look at that. Look at that. Let's hold that. You see how well I settled that? It's just perfect. Oh, amazing. Oh, toffee. Oh, the only way to drink espresso martinis going forward. Oh, that is amazing. Anyway, if you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. And if you want to see more of my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell if you don't want to miss any of my future uploads, because YouTube will then notify you. And if you want to become a legend, if you want access to my exclusive content, check out my Patreon. It's kind of my membership tiers, links in the show notes, it's all there for you. I will catch you next time. Oh, cheers.